Hey Vlad, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So just taking a look at your website, it's one of the Google generated essentially with a custom uh, domain. So just taking a look, got your name, click to call, uh, get your quotes. So you do have what's necessary. It's just these sites don't usually, they're not very conducive to getting people through your site. It's just to say you have one. It's mainly pictures for content as and no real content. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a look behind the scenes just to show you exactly what I'm talking about of why this type of site doesn't usually produce. So just taking a look, we can look behind the scenes with a system called Ahrefs. It allows us to peek behind the curtains. And as you can see, we have a UR rating and a DR rating. So the UR rating is the strength of your website and the DR rating is the trust of your website. Ideally, we want these between 30 and 40, but as you can see, it's 1 and 0. The reason being is because of backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, all backlinks are not created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be awful because Wikipedia is super spammy. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be great because that is relevant to your service. And then organic keywords. So what an organic keyword is a buyer intent word that someone's putting into Google to find your specific service. So as you can see, you have two of them. So let's check what those are. Oh, that's sunshine. Let's check. We're gonna wait for this to load. There we go. Yeah. As you can see, Sunshine Floors, Sunshine Flooring, and Flooring Contractors, Boston. That's going to be your only real keyword. But as you can see, you're on the 100th page, which will never see the light of day, unfortunately. So we don't have too much there. Now, let's check what a great buyer intent word would be if you put it into Google. So Flooring Boston MA. First thing that pops up is your GMB. Now, your GMB, your Google Map Pack, is super important to get on because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of these three people because this guy's an ad. Pick one of these people just because it's the easiest thing to do. Then you have your organic rankings. This is by strength of website. Now, you're going to have your general, your house, Yelp, Angie. Then you're going to have your top competitor, Boston Wood Floor Supply Inc. Let's check their website and see why they're number one. So we look at them, as you can see, really nice site. They got their logo, they got their different drop downs. They don't have a click to call, which is unfortunate. That would be great for them, but hey, everyone has room to improve. But as you go through their site, they have more content. They don't have the amount that Google is looking for. And Google is looking for about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, just so you're able to put as much organic keywords as you can throughout your site and make it seem normal. But let's check behind the scenes for this guy and see why they're ranking number one. So we put them in the system, out pops their rank. As you can see, their strength is a 22 and their trust is a 3.7. So they're not doing their strength is pretty good, but as you can see, their trust can use some work. But what they are doing really well is their backlinks. They have 368 different backlinks leading back to their site, which is giving them that good rank. Another thing they're doing well is they have 669 different keywords that they're ranking for. So let's check what their keywords are. Boston wood floor, Boston wood, that's them. Bona, Boston floor. Now that can be misconstrued as their name as well. However, that's something someone could type in to find their service. 300 people, first real position, 43 people from that. Boston flooring, 300, first real position, 41 people. If you go down, you can see all of these are buyer intent and they're in the top position, or at least on the front page for most of them, which is giving them that traffic as you can see. So if we're looking to get that too, first things first, we got to raise those backlinks. You want to get as many as you can, at least 100 more than your competitor, 50 to 100 more. So good thing is you have a roadmap. You know these 368 backlinks work. So you could just take them for yourself, add them on, add a couple more on top of that, and you'll see that URDR start shooting up and or slowly start rising because it does take time. And then you need that content. 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and then of course 5 to 700 on each of your back pages, so that you can organically put keywords throughout your site, organically put buyer intent words, so that Google can rank you for those buyer intent words that you saw that were on Boston Wood Floor Supply Inc.'s website. You do that, you start seeing traffic through your site and see calls through your website. Now, Vlad, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you could leave some feedback, that would be awesome. You have a nice rest of your day.